Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another 24-hour challenge video. I have not done a 24-hour video in who knows how long. So of course it's time for another one, and today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be eating vegan seafood for 24 hours, which, keep in mind, there's no only in the title, so I'm not eating only vegan seafood because I can't just eat a bowl of vegan fish and call it a meal. It doesn't really work like that. So basically, breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, whatever, the main focus of every meal is going to be vegan seafood. So I'm gonna be trying different vegan seafood, and it'll be the main part of the meal. I don't know, you should understand what I'm saying, and if not, you'll get it very easily as I go along. But I like vegan meat. I mean, I don't eat it a ton, at home, but I don't have a problem with it. I like it. I haven't really ventured into vegan seafood though. I've had very minimal amounts of vegan seafood. I haven't tried that many brands. Kind of a little scary. I feel like this flavor of beef or chicken is much easier to mimic than seafood, but today I'll be your test subject. I could try this and it all is nasty, but at least you know then. That's the whole point of this video. So I'm just gonna get started because I am hungry and it is breakfast time. And for breakfast, of course, you know the seafood that is eaten at breakfast, at least the only one that I can really think of, is lox. So I got some vegan smoked salmon. This is from the brand Sophie's, so not only have I never had vegan lox, I've also never had anything from this brand before, so that'll be fun. It is soy-free, gluten-free. What is it made out of? Konjac powder. Konjac is like a starch, like a root. Pea starch, potato starch, pea protein, sea salt, agave nectar, seaweed powder, olive oil, fenugreek, who knows what that is, alginate from seaweed, paprika, and calcium hydroxide. So this I actually set out into a bowl of warm water for a bit because it was frozen. I just needed to get to room temperature. Under preparation, it just says our vegan salmon is open fired, wood smoked, and ready to eat. So I don't have to cook it at all. But what I do need to do is, of course, toast up my bagel. So, oh yeah, of course I'm eating it on a bagel with cream cheese and a bunch of other, not a bunch of other things, just 2 other things. But I got these sprouted wheat bagels at the store yesterday. I've never had them. They just were there. They don't pre-cut them? I don't like that. And the reason I don't like that is because I feel like I'm gonna cut it uneven. Okay, not the best, but it's okay. So I'm gonna toast this and then start to assemble my bagel. And of course, I'll be using Kite Hill cream cheese. It is my favorite vegan cream cheese. It's made of almonds, pretty good ingredients. I think it's very tasty. Red onions, we have these leftover from burgers the other night, but those. And then capers, honestly, I'm gonna open these and taste one. I don't remember what they taste like. It tastes good, I like it. Here's what the vegan lox looks like. It smells a lot like liquid smoke. Not a huge fan of that, but there's no liquid smoke. That's weird, wait. Cream cheese time. A ton of cream cheese. Okay, time for a taste test. I don't know what to expect, but I'm gonna make sure I get everything one bite, even the caper. I think it's really good. Okay, well that was shocking. If you liked me, to be honest, I never had lox before going vegan, but I know what salmon tastes like and I know what something smoked tastes like, and this tastes like smoked salmon. Genuinely, Sophie's Kitchen, great job. I commend you for this. I'm going to go enjoy this whole bagel, guys, so see you at lunch. 10 out of 10, I guess. I don't know how I would change it. Pretty good to me. Okay, lunchtime. It's noon now and I'm hungry. I just realized I don't know where the tuna is. Oh yeah, I'm making tuna. Got it. I don't know why I thought I lost it. Yeah, I just exposed what I'm making. For lunch, I'm going to be trying to make a vegan tuna salad sandwich. I love tuna salad before going vegan, and I have had some vegan tuna salad, or pre-packaged vegan tuna like this, and I cannot remember if it was this brand or another brand because there's a bunch of, not a bunch, I don't know, there's probably like 3 or 4 that I can think of. But this is by the brand Good Catch. This is their like original plain flavor. They have some flavored ones, but I got the plain one. I may have had some before, but if I did, it's like I'm trying it for the first time because I don't remember it. It smells a little weird. It's made from their 6-plant protein blend with pea protein, soy protein, chickpea flour, lentil protein, faba protein, navy bean flour. So I have all my like other, you know, tuna salad ingredients, but I'm gonna yum, so delicious. This is what it looks like. Honestly, I mean, kind of like tuna, but I have some things I'm gonna add in, of course. Pickle pieces, cucumber, and then red onion. So I have this, and then of course mustard and mayo. I feel like that's pretty standard. I'm not a huge fan of mayo, but I'm a big fan of mustard, so we're not gonna put a ton of mayo in. That's enough. But mustard, I'll put in a bunch of mustard. Delicious. Okay, now we're gonna mix. Okay, so I put it between 2 pieces of bread, cut it down the middle, and it now looks like this. It looks pretty good to me. I mean, it looks like a tuna salad sandwich, but it doesn't really matter what it looks like. It matters what it tastes like, and I'm a little scared, but let's give it a try. Honestly, I don't hate it. It's not bad, but I do prefer chickpea tuna salad. Multiple reasons. 1, I honestly just think it tastes better. And then 2, it is so much cheaper. Honestly, I did not look at the price for this because I knew I was gonna be getting it either way because I needed it for the video, so I didn't even look at the price because I was like, I have to buy it. But I just know it was not cheap. I'll try to find that like price online, and a can of chickpeas is like less than $1 or maybe $1. I don't even know. Either way, very different. So, I mean, I'll totally eat this, but it's not good enough to justify the price. Okay, so it is now snack time, and I have more seafood, of course, for a snack. I have crab cakes, but 2 different brands because I'm going to be doing a crab cake showdown. I wanted to get 3. I wanted to go to Trader Joe's and get their jackfruit ones, but I went yesterday and they didn't have them. So we just have these 2, but I have the Gardein Mini Crispy Crabless Cakes and the Sophie's Kitchen Vegan Crab Cakes. I fried them both up in a pan with some oil, and that is just how the advised like cooking instructions on the back. I've never had either of these. Gardein's is made from textured wheat protein, and then Sophie's is made from pea protein. So I'm gonna start out, oh yeah, I have 2 of the Gardein ones because they were smaller, and then 1 of the Sophie's one. I'm gonna start out with the Sophie's one. It smells like weirdly Christmassy, like pumpkin bread. That's probably the weirdest explanation ever, but it does. But it also tastes like seafood-y also. That is one of the weirdest textures ever. It's not bad though. Let me try the Gardein ones. Okay, so in my opinion, I prefer the Gardein ones. I think. I don't know. Okay, I just went back and forth between both of the crab cakes like 12 times. I've basically eaten them all because I wanted to get my opinion down for you guys. And I did come to a conclusion. I feel like the Gardein ones taste like they're from a very generic, not so nice seafood restaurant, like a Joe's Crab Shack. And then the Sophie's ones is more like a little bit of a nicer seafood restaurant, but not like fancy. So I think it kind of depends on what you're going for more. It depends on what you're going for. I prefer the Sophie's Kitchen one. With that being said, I don't think I'll buy either of these again just because neither of them stand out all that much. These are my least favorite things in the video so far. But if I had to choose between the 2, I would choose the Sophie's Kitchen crab cakes. Hello, it's now dinner time, and for dinner I'm going to be making fish tacos. I'm going to be using the Gardein fishless fillets. I have honestly no idea how these are. I've never heard anyone talk about them. I don't know if people really like these or not, but we're going to find out. It says, tender, flaky fillets in a light golden tempura batter. The best catch ever. It has 9 grams of protein per serving. There's 3 servings, but I'm going to be making 8 tacos because there's 4 people in my family. So we're going to make it into 4 servings. There's 30 milligrams of EPA and DHA per serving too, so there's omegas, which is nice. And then I cut up some tomatoes, a red onion, cabbage, avocado, and I made a sauce from Vegan-A's Kite Hill vegan cream cheese, chipotle bitchin' sauce, some of this habanero, hot sauce, and lemon juice. I would use lime, but we don't have lime, so I'm using lemons instead. And here I have some warm corn tortillas, and then I have 2 minutes left on the fish fillets in the oven, so once those are out, I'll assemble the tacos. I'm excited. I mean, honestly, this video's gone pretty well so far, so I feel like it can't be bad. The sauce is also so good. I keep just eating the sauce. Did I say garlic? Garlic's in there too. Tacos are done. They look really good and I'm very excited. Everything keeps falling out, but taste test time. I think they are pretty good. I've had much better fish tacos from like vegan restaurants. These ones kind of taste like fish sticks. That's kind of exactly what they taste like to me, but I think it's pretty good. I mean, I would buy these again. If you wanted to make fish tacos and want something to buy from the store that's easy, I would recommend checking this out. So that was the end of my seafood vegan day. To recap, I would say that my favorite thing was probably the lox. Honestly, I think the lox and the fish tacos were pretty equal, but the reason why I have to give the crown to the lox was because it was not what I was like expecting. I expected the fish tacos kind of to taste exactly how the fish tacos did taste, but the lox I was pretty apprehensive with, and it ended up really shocking me. So Sophie's Kitchen, good job to you. I really liked it. But honestly, I enjoyed the food in general today way more than I expected. I didn't think I would like much, but I ate everything. Like, it was, I mean, with that being said, I'm really a super unpicky eater, but I still thought that it would be worse than it was. I kind of enjoyed it. Kind of shocked. I would recommend, honestly, every product I tried today. That is not what I expected to say. Main one would definitely be the lox. The fish fillets were pretty good. They honestly, they taste like fish sticks. If you want like fish sticks, go buy those. And then the tuna salad, I still think chickpea tuna salad is much better. But if you see it at the store and want to try it, go ahead. I still would recommend chickpeas, not only just the taste, but like the price. It's just a lot better. And then the crab cake's pretty good. I won't be rebuying either of those, just I don't like them enough, or like maybe if I need them for some I don't know what recipe I would need crab cakes for. But yeah, that was the end of this video. Let me know if I should do another one of these that's like eating vegan blank for a day. I don't know what it would be, but let me know if you have any ideas. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you all in my next video, which, by the way, I would love to say my new uploading schedule is that I'm trying to upload like every 4-ish days. No specific schedule, but I'm trying to keep myself on track with that, so yeah.